Hello everyone, I am Professor S.N. Mane, Assistant Professor KK College of Agriculture, Engineering and Technology, Department of Processing and Food Engineering. Today we will learn about the practical number second, that is sensory evaluation of different food products. Before that, we will learn about what is meant by sensory evaluation. Sensory evaluation is nothing but a judging or evaluation of the food qualities on the basis of human senses. That senses like touch, smell, taste, then sight and the hearing. Okay, based on our five sense organs, we are judging or evaluating the quality of food product. On that basis, we will develop a new product. Why the sensory evaluation is important? For development of new product or make the improvement in a previously prepared food product. Okay, suppose we want to modify the recipe of any food product. Okay, so in that case we will do the sensory evaluation, and suppose we want to develop a new food product. In that case we will judge or assess the quality of different food products. Now here we will see the sensory evaluation of particular food product. For that we need a materials per student. That is, suppose we have taken 4 cups, in which that 4 cups have coded, that is from 1 to 4, and we need a glass of water for rinsing in the mouth or for changing the taste of a particular food product. Now which kind of procedure we have to follow? First of all, see, in the cup first you have to take 250 ml of water and you have to add 1 teaspoon of the sugar, so that you can make a food product that is which is sweeter in taste. Then in cup second you have to take 250 ml of water with the half teaspoon of the salt, so that your prepared food product will be salty. Then in cup third you have to take 250 ml of water with the 2 teaspoon of the lemon juice, so you will get the sour food product. Then in fourth cup, you will take 250 ml of water with the 100 ml of tonic water, that is decarbonated water. It will give the bitter taste. Now, what you have to do? You have to given some instruction to the students, that is, they have given a particular scorecard in which that is written, that is test identification test. Okay, means you have to identify whatever these 4 solution we have prepared, which kind of uh, solution that have a test, means whether it is sweet in taste, salty in taste, bitter in taste. Okay, so you have to identify with the help of students. Okay, so in the scorecards you have to write, that is which kind of tray number is that, means cup number we have selected here from 1 to 4. Then here write your name, who is the evaluator or judge. Then give some instruction, that is you have presented these 4 samples of solution with the basic test, that is sweet, sour, salt and bitters. Now you have selected 4 samples of solutions which are representing the different tests. Now choose a cup from out of 4 samples and take a sip of from that solution. Then you have to hold that solution in your mouth for 10 seconds and write down the which test you have identified. See here, the table has given, that is solution number from 1 to 4 has given here, and whatever test you have identified from these 4 samples, and just we have to make the tick marks whether it is correct or incorrect. Then suppose you have identified the test of first sample, then go for the second sample. Similarly 4 samples you have to cover. After that you have to collect the scorecard from each evaluators, and by combining the results you have to write the conclusion about how many numbers of people have identified correct test of the given samples. So this is the experiment regarding the evaluation of test evaluation of the food product, means which kind of test that particular food product has. Now in the next practical we will see that is test intensity test, means particular food product having a particular taste, sweet, sour, bitter. So how much intensity is that? Okay, so how much sour is, how much sweeter it is, how much bitter it is in taste. Okay, so you have to identify its intensity. So similarly here you have given some 3 coded samples. Okay, so that testers or the evaluator must indicate the order of that sample in order to find out the intensity of that specified test. Okay, so our aim is that we have to discriminate between the test intensity of the 3 solutions. Whatever 3 samples has given, between them we have to discriminate, okay, on the basis of their intensity of test. Now here which kind of materials we require? See, based on our 6 testers, suppose we have selected 6 testers, so how you will, which kind of material you will require? That is, for example, 6 trays you will require, then 6 glass of water for the each evaluator, then 18 containers and the 6 scorecards each for the each evaluator. Then procedure should be, first of all you have to code 18 numbers of the containers, then 6 containers with the symbol of square, 6 containers with the symbol of circle, and the 6 containers with the symbol of triangle. Then place the following solutions into the coded containers, means suppose this solution we are going to prepare, that you have to put in the these 6 coded containers. Okay, so see, in the 6 coded square containers you have to put only 250 ml of water, then remaining 6 coded, out of remaining 12 containers, in the 6 coded containers you have to put 250 ml of water plus half teaspoon of the salt. Then remaining 6 coded containers should be contain the 250 ml of water and 1 teaspoon of the salt. Okay, so similarly we are going to identify the salty intensity of the particular particular solution. Okay, how much the intensity of that solution with their saltiness. Okay, so we have to provide water, then in the next step we have to make the setup of the number of trays right from 1 to 6. Okay, 1 to 6 for the square containers, then 1 to 6 for the symbol circle, and 1 with the triangle. Now instruct the testers in order to follow the following instructions, that is see here on the scorecard you have written some, you have given some information, that is salt intensity test we are going to make, in which tray number you have to write here, then what is your name, and just you have to start in order to choosing the cup of that solution, and you have to make the sip of that solution, and you have to hold for the 10 seconds in your mouth, and just which test you have identified or how much intensity of that solution you have got it. Okay, so proceed to the other samples in the similar manners, that is after rinsing your mouth between each testing of the samples, then please you have to indicate the order of the samples in terms of the test intensity, that is 1 for the weakest solution and 3 for the strongest solution. Okay, means whatever intensity you have got identified, okay, in that case write the numbers, that is 1 2 3, 1 for the weaker solution and 3 for the strongest solution, means stronger test you have obtained. Okay, so after evaluation or the identifying their intensity, you have to collect all the scorecard and make the correct results. Then similarly you can make this evaluation test for the sour test as well as the sweet intensity test. Okay, similarly for the sour test you can make the solution like in 1 containers, 1 to 6 containers you put the 250 ml of water, then in next 6 containers you put 250 ml water plus 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and in the next containers you have put the 250 ml of water plus 1 tablespoon of the lemon juice. Okay, then for the sweet intensity test, you have to make the same procedure. Instead of lemon juice, you can add here sugar. Okay. So in this way, in practical, we have learned about sensor evaluation of the product. That is just first we learn about the identification of different tests, which kind of tests are there, that is sweet, bitter, sour, and the salty test. And in the next part, we have learned about the how you will identify the intensity of that test. So thank you.